In order to find and manage sounds and vibration settings on a Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, you want to proceed to sounds and vibration, and then in here we can start customizing these settings. So of course here we can choose the sound, vibrate, or mute mode. Also, the mute mode can be turned on temporarily. We can adjust the ringtone, we can choose the notification sound, and we can also find system sound options, so you can toggle some of these system sounds that we have available in here, and we can choose the system sound theme. Besides that, we have the volume section where we can easily adjust the volume of a couple of different things. Besides that, we can also go to the call vibration, so here we have the vibration section. We can choose vibrations for calls, for notifications in here, and here we also have system vibrations, so you can toggle a couple of these feedback options. And there is also the vibration intensity, so you can decide how strong these vibrations should be. We can also find sound quality and effects, where we can find the Dolby Atmos option with a couple of profiles. There is also the equalizer, of course. We have the loudness normalization, the app sound settings, and two more options. The adapt sound option, which allows you to adapt the sound in case you need to have it tuned for your ears, and the UHQ upscaler, which is accessible if you wear headphones. And there is also the separate app sound feature, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.